Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, Indonesia student channel. In this video, I'm gonna talk about process map. What is process map? Let's jump in. So here, a process map is a diagram that provides a visual representation of a process flow or a sequence of activities or steps that take place in a process from start to finish. So in theory, there are different types of process map: a high level process map, a detailed process map, Swimlane, and value stream. Let's jump in. What is a high level process map? So let's go more detail to high level process map. So imagine you are sitting in a helicopter, and then you're going up, and then you see down, you see small people, small stores, small restaurant, and so on and so on. So this is exactly what it is. So at the highest level, we call it a high level process map, and this provides a view of the process like 20,000 feet. A high level process map displays the main activities or a major step in a process, usually showing the process in 10 or fewer major steps. And a high level overview should not contain all the details of every process step, and that would make for a busy and unproductive mess. Instead, you should see it as a helicopter view of the entire process. So here is an example of a process in a hospital. As you can see, there are only a few major steps, right? Check in, see the doctor, check out, and pay. You get the largest sense of an end-to-end process from start to finish. If any of these major steps need more explanation to be better understood, then we will drill down those steps into more detail using separate individual detailed process map. Okay, so now we cover the high-level process view of in this case, doctor visit. And now let's continue to another definition of process map, which is detailed process map. What is this? A detailed process map contains information about the exact type, quality, etc. of the input required and of output expected. It also contains precise information about how the process should behave. Here is an example of a detailed process map. As you can see, this map describes specific steps involved in the patient experience of a doctor visit. By documenting the details of the process in this visual form, your team in this case can analyze and identify opportunities for improvement. Because different than the high-level process map, this contains more detailed activities. For example, here we have again the same start to the end, but we expand it to more detailed process. Let's say we arrive and check in, and then we wait in arrival's lobby, and then there is some decision process, which is your name called by nurse? If no, then you still wait in arrival's lobby, and if it's yes, then you will go to another process. Yeah, and then different than high level process map. This contains more detailed activities, and here we have a process activity shown by a rectangle box and decision steps shown by a diamond shape, as I explained earlier. Okay, so now we cover the detailed process map. Let's proceed. So again, if multiple groups or departments are involved in the process, then a Swimlane process map will be useful to map the cross-functional process. A lane for each group, function, or department involved in the cross-functional process. Think of a Swimlane as a detailed process map that has been allocated into the respective lanes where the activities are performed. Let's go for an example. A Swimlane process is also called a deployment map because it is shown where the work is deployed. And a Swimlane shows which group or department, in this case we have doctor, nurse, and office staff. And then this group or department is performing each process step and where the hands-off occur. So hands-off are the weak links in a process where things can fall through the cracks due to miscommunication between departments, resulting in delays, mistakes, and defects. Being able to see these weak links is very useful. Using this process map, high level, detailed, and Swimlane, we can visualize the process and ensure all team members have the same understanding. So it's much easier for your team to measure, analyze, and improve. Alright guys, that is for a detailed process map. Stay with me guys. The last process map of this video is a value stream map. What is value stream map? Alright, here. So a value stream map, what is that? A value stream map is all end-to-end process, resources, and information used to transform input into outputs that are sellable to a customer. A graphic visual representation of the value stream is called a value stream map. Excited, right? It is a diagram that's shown all the steps involved in getting a product or service from supplier to customer. Let's jump into detail about what is the example of this video. Let's go. Starting with customer and customer information, and then delivery transfer to customer, major process steps and process data, any backlog or work in process between the processes, supplier and supplier information, transport, deliver from customer, information flow, material flow, and the last thing is timelines showing the probable lead time and processing time at the bottom of the diagram. The complete process map of the coffee stand is shown here. We can see the end-to-end process from order to delivery to customer. Information and material flows are shown, such as processing time, cycle time, and the number of services. In this case, one cashier, one barista, and one helper. Any backlog or work in process, inventory in front of each process step are shown. We can see that the total lead time is 24 minutes, but the actual processing time is only 3.5 minutes. Is that crazy? The main benefit of the value stream map is that at a glance, we can see the process from end to end, including information and material flow, inventory, and processing data. We can see the delays, bottlenecks, and identify where time is spent or wasted. Now, this is the difference from detailed process map. A detailed process map contains a granular list of activities but does not contain all of these other specific data on wait times, number of customers, and so on. However, you find a place in your value stream that requires a detailed look. This is the time to create a detailed process map for the particular process block. In the coffee shop, for example, we see there is a 10-minute wait time for order and pay and make coffee. A detailed process map of these process blocks will help uncover waste and inefficiencies. So, congratulations! You already covered 4 types of process map. Let's recap, okay? First, we have a high-level process map, detailed process map. You're right. Swimlane process map and value stream process map. So that is today's video of a process map. If you do like this video, make sure to press a like button. Please leave a comment if you have any further question, and do subscribe, because there will be a lot of free courses in our channel. Follow us in LinkedIn or Instagram. I'll put links in the description, and thank you for your time, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. Bye. Bye.